Friends, welcome to the YEYIAN channel. So friends, should I talk about YEYIAN Phoenix line of gaming desktops? So YEYIAN Gaming introducing the new Phoenix ATX mid-tower gaming PC case and 5 Phoenix housing prebuilt gaming desktop PC. So friend, the Phoenix ATX mid-tower gaming PC case is designed to accommodate the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4000 Super Series graphics card across the Intel 14th generation Intel Core desktop processor and AMD Ryzen 7 desktop processors platform, ensuring optimal thermal management and gaming performance. So Fred, the YEYIAN Phoenix ATX mid-tower gaming PC case boasts ample interior space and a user-friendly chassis design with support for up to 9 by 120 mm cooling fans and 1 by 360 or 240 mm top or front AIO radiators, and the Phoenix is meticulously designed for air and liquid cooling setups, catering to all high-performance gaming needs. Offered in two variants in tempered glass or mesh metal side panels, and the Phoenix strikes the perfect balance between air or liquid cooling, RGB illumination, cable management, and digital connectivity. Available across the 5 YEYIAN gaming pre-built PCs, each configuration feature varying CPU, GPU, RAM, storage option, ensuring a tailored gaming experience to meet diverse preferences for needs. Enter the YEYIAN Gaming Phoenix ATX mid-tower gaming PC case delivers an optimal thermal solution, ensuring efficient heat dissipation. And friend, it supports standard ATX, Micro-ATX, NVIDIA ATX motherboard form factor, and the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4000 Super Series graphics card with up to 400 mm clearance and easily accommodate NVIDIA RTX 4080 Super 4090 Super graphics card. It also feeds any CPU tower air cooler up to 170 mm in height and any regular ATX power supply up to 120 mm deep. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.